Nam Tamilar Kachi. People's Government. 2026 Election Manifesto. Our governance in our sacred land. 46 policies. 5 categories. Administration and politics. Change the capital, transform Tamil Nadu. Relocate the capital from Chennai to a central location ensuring balanced regional development. Fundamental structural political reform. Strengthen state powers and enhance democratic governance. Selfless, compassionate governance. Establish governance focused on people's welfare through selfless leadership. Eradication of bribery and corruption. Eliminate corruption at all government levels with transparent governance. Lokayukta Ombudsman. Establish an independent ombudsman to monitor government officials' conduct. Police service for the people. Transform police into a people-friendly service ensuring community safety. Solution for Elam Tamils' right to life. Raise international voice for the rights of Sri Lankan Tamils. Reclamation of Katchathivu. Restore fishing rights of Tamil fishermen. Tamil sovereignty. Establish the self-determination rights of Tamil people. Challenges and solutions for the Tamil national community worldwide. Economy and industry. Agriculture. Promote organic farming and ensure fair prices for farmers. Livestock rearing as government service. Recognize and support livestock rearing with state funding. Farmer welfare. Provide loan waivers, free electricity, and insurance for farmers. Merchant and trader welfare. Credit facilities and tax benefits for small traders. Industrial growth. Strengthen local industries and increase employment opportunities. Tamil National Bank. Establish a bank for economic independence of Tamil people. Capital investment. Attract investment to strengthen Tamil Nadu's economy. Land reforms. Distribute land to the landless poor, establishing equality. Tourism policy. Enhance cultural and heritage tourism across Tamil Nadu. Transportation. Build modern transport infrastructure, improving connectivity. Information technology. Bridge the digital divide to rural areas. Environment and resources. Water resource enhancement. Interlink rivers to enhance water resources and prevent drought. Free pure drinking water. Provide free clean drinking water to all citizens. Afforestation. Plant millions of trees to create a green Tamil Nadu. Mineral resource protection. Protect Tamil Nadu's mineral resources from exploitation. Electricity and power enhancement through renewable energy sources. Plastic elimination. Completely eliminate single-use plastics. Waste management. Implement scientific waste management across all districts. Education and society. Tamil National Education. Strengthen Tamil medium education, ensuring quality for all. Health care as a fundamental right. Free quality health care for everyone. Physical fitness. Improve youth health through sports and fitness programs. Alcohol and tobacco elimination. Gradually ban the sale of these harmful products. Women's liberation. Equal rights, safety, and economic freedom for women. Anbu Thalir, child welfare. Ensure children's education, nutrition, and protection. Anbu Cholai, elder care. Provide caring homes and support for senior citizens. Fishermen welfare. Provide modern boats, insurance, and relief for fishermen. Sanitation engineers. Ensure dignified life and welfare for sanitation workers. Unorganized workers' welfare. Social security for all sector workers. Housing. Build and provide quality housing for all families. Welfare of non-Tamil speakers. Protect welfare of all communities in Tamil Nadu. The need of the hour. Urgent solutions for current social challenges. Arts and culture. Tamil as official and worship language in all government and worship contexts. Art, literature, and culture. Promote Tamil arts and culture globally. Sports. World-class training and incentives for athletes. Information and broadcasting. Encourage free media and strengthen Tamil broadcasting. Birds and animal welfare. Protect habitats across the state. 46 policies. 5 categories. A people's government for Tamil Nadu. Naam Tamilar Kachi. Our governance in our sacred land. Visit makkalarasu.in.